Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, what we are going to learn is what are product attributes, how to manage them in WhatACart, and how they can be helpful in selling more on any WhatACart store. So, first of all, let me define what product attributes are. Attributes are used to group characteristics such as product specifications, technical details, and any other useful information related to the product in your store. Now these attributes can be dimensions, features, functionality, and anything else that tells about the characteristics of the product. For example, if you're going to purchase a car, the specifications could include engine, doors, power, type coupe, and seats. Okay, so by using these specifications or these attributes, you can decide whether you want to purchase the car or not. Okay, now let's see how to create an attribute. For that, you need to log in into admin panel. So let me log in into the admin panel. So after logging in, you would see that under catalog there are two sections: attribute groups and attributes. Both of them are covered as part of the attributes. So first of all, let's understand what attribute groups are, and then I would come back to attributes later. So clicking on attribute groups, you would land on to this screen. So with the default installation, there are two attribute group names which are already there, like memory and motherboard. Against each row you have the view link, edit link, and the delete link. And if you want to perform any bulk operation, you can simply select them and you can click on the bulk delete over here. Okay, now there are two ways in which you can proceed further. One, you can either edit the existing attribute group names, or you could delete them and create a fresh. So let's create a new attribute group. So here I am entering the name as screen resolution with a sort order as 1. Okay, where this sort order is used, it is used in the front end when the list of the attributes are displayed. I mean, the attributes would be displayed under the attribute groups, and these attribute groups are sorted based on the sort order which is provided here. Okay, so now clicking on save. So attribute group is saved successfully. Let's add an attribute against this attribute group. So clicking on catalog, go to attributes, you would land on to this grid view. So let's create a fresh attribute. So enter attribute name as full HD, sort order as 1, and attribute group as screen resolution. And now save it. Okay, so the attribute is saved successfully. The next step is to assign this attribute to the product. So let's go on to the products. Here I would use an existing product, let's say Apple Cinema 21-inch. So clicking on update, and you would be navigated to the update screen. Here you would see the attributes tab. So click on edit here. Now here you would land on to the assign attributes screen for the product. You can select the name of the attribute here, and you can provide a value for that attribute for that particular product. So here I am providing the value as 1920 star 1080, and I click on save. As soon as I save it, the attribute is displayed here in this list. So now this attribute is assigned to this product. So to verify that, let's go to the front end, and here refresh this screen. This is the detail page for Apple Cinema 21-inch. So here you would see that a specifications tab is displayed. So if you see, this is the attribute group, and this is the attribute that we have assigned to this product, and this is the value for it. So this is how you can assign the attributes to the products in the systems, which would be then displayed into the front end, and it would help the customer to identify the characteristics of the product and help in their purchase. Okay, I would assign this attribute now to another product. So let's take Apple Cinema 22-inch. So here you would see that there is no specifications tab being displayed over here. So now go to admin panel and let's assign the attribute. So I would enter the value as 1980 star 1110 and I click on save. So here the attribute has been assigned to the product. Let's move on to front end, and here I would just refresh the page. Okay, so now specifications tab is displayed with the attribute and the corresponding value shown here. Now let's see another usage of it. So this can be used in product comparison. So I would add this product to compare list, and I would add the previous product to the compare list as well. Now let's go to the compare list. Okay, so here you would see that full HD attribute has been displayed along with the values for both the product. In the similar way, we can have many attributes being listed here along with their values. In this way, customer can compare these specifications and decide as which product he wants to purchase. So this is how product attributes are useful in the system. That's all for this tutorial. In case you have any queries, you can either contact us at support@whatacart.com or you can post the question into the comment section. I hope this tutorial is useful, and if you like it, please click on the like button and hit subscribe for more such videos. Thank you very much.